Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I will discuss the Scotia case. This case was between USA and UK. USA versus UK 1871. In this case, a dispute arose between uh, USA and UK due to the collision of ships in the high sea. In this image, we are watching, we notice two ships. One is Scotia, it is the ship of UK, United Kingdom, and Berkshire, this is the ship of USA, United States of America. Berkshire ship was struck by the Scotia because the Berkshire ship haven't displayed the colorful light in the high sea. If this colorful light is not displayed, the existence of sea is not understood, not seen by the other ship because of the darkness, and it is international customary law of sea that all ship those will run through the high sea, Atlantic Ocean Sea, must display the colorful light. But Berkshire have failed to display this colorful light, and because of it, uh, Scotia hit this ship, and Berkshire was injured by such a accident, and by such an accident, and it uh, filed a case against Scotia. It was held that it is the navigation rules and international customary law that uh, all sea those will go through the Atlantic Ocean must uh, display the colorful light, and this is also followed by uh, many commercial estates. As this collision happened due to the violation of this international customary law by the USA, so USA is liable for this accident, and decision was in favor of UK and against the USA. Okay, I hope that you understand this case. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new in my channel or you haven't yet subscribed my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.